we'll guide you through how to adjust your Streamlabs microphone settings for optimal sound quality. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your computer and make sure you're logged in. Head over to the settings by clicking the gear icon on the bottom left of the window. In the settings menu, you'll see a list on the left side. Click on Audio. This is where you can adjust all your audio settings. Under the Audio tab, you'll find the MIC/AUX audio option. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select the microphone you're using. If your mic isn't showing up, make sure it's properly connected and recognized by your computer. Once selected, go to Advanced Audio Settings, which you can access by clicking on the small gear icon next to your microphone in the Mixer section on the main Streamlabs interface. Here, you can adjust the mic's volume, set up filters, and more. If you want to reduce background noise, you can add noise suppression by clicking on the plus icon under the Filters section and selecting Noise Suppression. Tweak the suppression level to find what works best for your environment. You can also add a compressor to balance your audio levels and a noise gate to cut out unwanted low-level noise. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, make sure to save your settings. Finally, do a quick test recording or stream to ensure everything sounds just right. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.